Hello, all my foodies. Welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. So breakfast is obviously the most important meal of the day, and usually what I have for breakfast is either a small bowl of oatmeal, cereal, juice, a fruit, or just some water, to be honest, if I'm really busy in the morning. And so it dawned on me the other day, I went to Nectar, and I love the convenience aspect of it, but realistically, we can make those smoothie bowls at home. Because we're still in the fall season, I am gonna be making my own twist for a pumpkin parfait. It's gonna have some fruit, granola, and yogurt. And then I'm gonna be making another variation, which is a mango chia seed pudding with yogurt, fruit, and granola on top. I have just recently planted all of these different fruit trees, and we cannot wait to have more fruit flourish from the trees. But the only tree that's really growing its fruit is our pomegranate. So I went out to go get this pomegranate outside, and we're gonna be adding it with the mango parfait to add some color. So I think it's gonna be super yummy and delicious. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below on what other parfaits that you would like to see or other breakfast recipes that you would like to see. Also make sure that you hit subscribe right down below and hit the notification bell because I do post videos almost every single week. So without further ado, let's get on with the recipe. We'll start off with my favorite first, which is the pumpkin breakfast parfait. In a blender, add a half can of pure pumpkin puree. Add 1 banana, a drizzle of honey, and a scoop of collagen powder. This will help with glowy skin and make your nails and hair thicker, but this is completely optional, by the way. Then blend until well combined. Then pour the puree equally in the 2 mason jars or any container you have on hand with a tightly sealed lid. Then add your favorite gluten-free granola. I added my own oatmeal mix with flax seeds, chia seeds, gluten-free oats, and raisins. Then add a layer of dairy-free yogurt or dairy yogurt. My favorite brand is called So Delicious, and you can get it in tons of flavors too. Then add a layer of roasted unsalted pumpkin seeds. If you don't prefer pumpkin seeds, you can add sunflower seeds, roasted cashews, or almonds. Then add blueberries and a heavy drizzle of honey to bring in some sweetness to the parfait. Top it off with unsweetened coconut flakes and pumpkin spice. I promise you that this parfait is so addicting. It has a pudding consistency with crunchy texture throughout. This can last in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. Next is the mango chia seed breakfast parfait. This has more of a fruity punch to it with the coconut yogurt balancing out all the fruit flavor, and we'll start by cutting up 2 yellow mangoes and adding it to a blender. As a reminder, the full recipe and products I use in this video is always listed in the description box below. I then added 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia seeds and would recommend mixing it in after you blend together with the mango and orange juice. Both ways are delicious, but the way I did it turned the color more dark than vibrant as you see here. In this recipe, I used orange juice infused with turmeric, and it gives the anti-inflammatory that I need to kickstart the day. But no need to go all fancy, orange juice is perfectly fine too. While we wait for the chia seeds to thicken, let's cut the rest of our mangoes and strawberries. You can also use raspberries or any of your favorite berries that you prefer. And while still cutting the fruit, can't forget about the pomegranate that I picked out from the garden. Look how juicy it is. It was so vibrant in color, and I only used half of it in this recipe. Now it's time for the layering. We'll add the mango chia seed pudding, then dairy-free yogurt. I use the same So Delicious as I mentioned in the earlier recipe. A drizzle of honey, sliced strawberries, unsweetened coconut flakes or shredded coconut, more chia seed pudding, diced mango, another layer of dairy-free yogurt, a drizzle of honey, and then top it off with the pomegranate seeds. Now, if you're looking for more crunch, you could always add some gluten-free granola or any of your favorite type of nuts. And there you have it, 2 variations of healthy breakfast parfaits that are great for meal prepping for the week. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe right down below for more recipes, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen. Hey my foodies, welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. So breakfast is the most important meal of the day, as we know, and I usually go into my routine of breakfasts. So is that breakfast? That's not eat breakfast.